Renault Espace from 2010. I pulled the handbrake. Okay, it's pulled. There's the red sign for the handbrake. Okay, now I insert it in drive because it's automatic. Okay, and I'm not pressing any pedals, and the car stays in one place because the handbrake is pulled. Okay, now I press the accelerator and the car is rolling downhill. So the accelerator automatically disengages the handbrake. Okay, neutral. Now pull the handbrake once again. The car is not going anywhere. The handbrake is holding it. Now let's insert it in reverse. R is selected. Okay, car is not going anywhere. No pedals are pressed. And now if I press the accelerator, it also disengages the handbrake. I'm down here, so that's why it's not really moving, but the handbrake is disengaged. So both in drive, that is forward, and in reverse, that is backward, if you press the accelerator, the handbrake will be automatically disengaged.